Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Thursday, June 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly time frame, I still think this looks like an uptrend for an A, three waves down for a B, and another uptrend for the C. Now, it definitely does look like an ABC correction, especially with that impulsive move down. But like I've been saying for weeks now, the yen may very easily just keep on driving this up, and it may just make a new high. So we definitely have to be aware. It looks like an ABC, but the yen may very easily just keep on driving this up. And luckily, I would be going long on shorter time frames anyways for an ABC correction. And if it turns out that it's not an ABC and it just keeps on drifting up, then I'm just going to continue to look for longs, and it definitely is not going to affect my trading at all. So going down to the weekly time frame is where you can see what I mean, because I'm still calling this a 1. I'm still calling this potentially an ABC correction. Pretty much the last chance it has to be in wave C is at the 78%. So if it does bounce off that, break structure to the downside, then I'll know the wave 2 is over, and I'll know that we're going down for a wave 3. But I definitely will not be going short until I see that shape with the break of structure to the downside, because like I said, it very easily could just keep on drifting up. And if it does just keep on going up, I'm never going to see a break of structure, which means I'm never going to start looking for shorts in a downtrend. Instead, I'll just keep on going long and making money the whole way up. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as possibly being an uptrend for an A, possibly being an ABC of 2. A and a B, ABC of B, and this is still possibly a wave C. If it is a wave C, we'll see a break of structure at the 78% Fibonacci level, proving that it is a wave C, and at that point I'll definitely start looking for shorts in a downtrend. If it's not a wave C, it will probably still bounce off the fib level, but it will not break structure. It'll just keep on making higher lows and just keep on trending up, and I'll just keep on going long at the end of every single pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. The last major structure level is right here before it started the most recent high low, high low, high low. So the trend is definitely not over. I am for sure still looking for longs in an uptrend. Unless price goes down and breaks that low right there, I'm going to do nothing on the shorter time frames but look for longs in an uptrend. So on the 1 hour time frame, that we're definitely looking for longs, and as you see, it definitely made three waves up right there. It looks like a B. That means this is probably an A. This move down is probably a C. So if you see a big engulfing, impulsive move to the upside with a higher low, then that is exactly what I'm looking for another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, unless price breaks this structure level to the downside, I'm doing nothing on these shorter time frames by going long at the end of every single three-way pullback that I see, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.